are into a Springboard mini POS system step by step. Okay. Explain every annotation and see event to the happiness behind in the scenes. I make everything super simple, so every few are brand new to Springboard. By the end of this video, you understand the entry POS system architecture. So let's now first time let's open the code. Okay. First customer part script. In this part we are focused on the customer management section of the system. Control, DTO, entity, exception, response, repository, service, this layer. First let's look at the customer controller class. Here the REST control annotation is used, which this classes handles REST API request. The request mapping. Okay. The request mapping annotation defines the base URL, and after that annotation like post mapping, gate mapping, delete mapping handle define operations. For example, in the method to add the customer post mapping and request body annotation are used. The request body annotation convert JSON data commit for the client into a Java object. After that, the control doesn't access the database directly. It called the customer service layer. Okay, and go customer service layer. This is my customer layer. Customer service implement code. Okay. Looking at the customer service interface, it acts like controls define customer related operation, the customer service implement classes, customer service interface. This interface and the service annotation. Okay. Service annotation tell explain that these classes handle business logic. Here the order route annotation is used to inject customer repository. This means we are using dependency injection. Spring annotation Spring automatically provides the object, so we don't have to many created. Okay, then go customer repository. Okay, the customer repository extend JPA request repository, which automatically handle basic CRUD operation. We don't need to write SQL queries manually. Finally, the customer entity classes. Okay, next go customer entity classes. Okay, then the customer entity classes use the entity annotation, which means it represents a database table. The ID and generate value annotation define the primary key. So the customer management flow work like this controller service repository database. Okay, now go customer front end. Let's go and add customer. This is my customer front end. Use Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, JS. Okay, now add customer ID to name Ravishka and okay, now add this customer successfully. Okay, then customer update and customer delete. Okay, oh, answer and click. This is customer UI. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's go look at the item management section for the system. Item controller. The item controller class use the REST controller. Okay, REST controller annotation means it handle item related API requested. The request mapping. Okay, the request mapping annotation define the base part of and post mapping, get mapping, put mapping, and delete mapping. Handle CRUD operation. When adding an item, the request body annotation converts the data sent for the client into a Java object. The controller then pass this data to the item service layer. Okay, then go item service layer. This is item service layer and item service implementation. The item service interface define the item related methods and the item service implement classes. Implements them using the service annotation. These classes handle business logic like serving an item update it or managing its quantities. The automated annotation injects the item repository. Okay, now item repository. The item repository which Spring provide automatically. The item repository extends JPA repository, simplifying database operating without the need for custom SQL queries. The item entity class use. Okay, now go item entity. Item entity class use the entities to represent a database table and add ID to define the primary key, find like price and quantities, and start as table column. So the item management part is also implemented, according to clear architecture divided into 8 from query. Now go item add. Okay, now go item add. This is my item front end and item add. Okay, item number 3 and item name fish, price fish, quantity 100, price and 20. Okay, add successful. Items are successful. Okay, this is my home and customer and item. Next, Okay, now go to order. Now we are looking at the system most important part, the order processing section. Okay, order controller. The order controller class use REST controller, meaning it handles order related HTTP requested. The post mapping annotation define the endpoint for placing order. The request body annotation convert the order and coming for the client into a Java object. The controller pass the order data to the order service layer. The order service layer. Now go order service layer. Service. This is order service implementation layer. Okay, the order service implementation class use at service and contains the main basic logic. It injects multiple repositories using order viewed such as order repository, item repository and customer repository. A special feature here is the transaction. The annotation. It's ensured that the order placement process run as single transaction. For example, serving order details and update item quantity all happen with one transaction event. Operation takes the full transaction rollback. Order details and order entity. Okay. In the entity layer, the order class use entity, and the order details class manages the relationship between item and order annotation, like many to one and one to many and join column define the database relationship. So the order processing flow is client control service repository database response. This is complete order handling system and the core functionality of the project. Now this is my order controller and order DTO and order details DTO and order details entity and order entity and repository, order details, order repository, order service implementation and order service implementation. Okay, now go to order front end. This is my order HTML. Use Bootstrap, JavaScript, CSS. Okay, run and add order. Okay, example, this is customer 1 Manuja and item 1 cake quantity ka 10 order. Okay, order 2 select customer 1 item, select item 1 cake available quantity ka 10 quantity 4 add the card, unit price 100, total 400, remove or place order, successfully place order. Okay, item quantity 6. Okay, this is my order and item customer home. Now so that it's everyone we cover: customer module, item module, order module. Together that form a complete Spring Boot POS system. If this video helped you, like, subscribe. In the next video I will build real world implementation. Thank you for watching. Thank you.